Lesson 1: Characteristics of living and non-living things. In biology, we define life not by what it is, but by what it does. We use the acronym Mr. Niger D, or sometimes Mrs. Grain, to remember these life processes. Number 1. Nutrition, feeding. All living things require nutrients to build their bodies and provide energy for work. The scientific concept: there are two main ways to get food. Autotrophs, like green plants, use sunlight to make their own food through photosynthesis. Heterotrophs, like humans and fungi, must consume other organisms to survive. Why it matters: without nutrition, the chemical reactions inside your body, metabolism, would stop and the organism would die. Number 2. Respiration, energy release. Many students confuse respiration with breathing. Breathing is just moving air in and out. Respiration is a chemical process that happens inside every single cell to break down food and release energy. The scientific concept: most organisms use oxygen to break down glucose, aerobic, but some, like yeast or bacteria, can do it without oxygen, anaerobic. Why it matters: this energy is what allows your heart to beat and your muscles to move.